In the next 5 minutes, I will show you a proof so clear that you will never forget how to test irrational numbers. To prove irrationality, we assume the opposite, that root 2 minus root 5 is a rational number. Now shift root 5 to the other side to isolate root 2. Squaring both sides help remove the square root. Now we rearrange the term to isolate root 5. This shows root 5 equal a rational number, but that is impossible. Here we can see LHS is a rational number, but RHS is a irrational number. So our assumption is wrong that root 2 minus root 5 is equal to R, which is a rational number. So root 2 minus root 5 is a irrational number. Remember this rule: assume rational number, then square, contradiction. Conclude this work for every irrational proof.